Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to create an account on Snapchat. To create an account on Snapchat, you'll need to follow these steps. So what here you need to do is to create your account. On Snapchat, you need to first of all install the app, head over to your respective app store, and on the search bar you want to tap on, and you want to go ahead and tap on the search bar, type in Snapchat and make sure to install the app. After completely installing, click on the open button and you simply want to click on the sign up button to create an account. Go ahead and type in your first name and then your date of birth and click on the continue button. If you're sure about this username, you could go ahead and click on the continue button. You go ahead and set a password and click on the continue button once again. As soon as you do this, you will be then asked to type in or enter in the email address or a phone number that you want to register. So once you're done entering the email address, a verification code will be sent which you need to enter in, and in that way you'll be able to go ahead and create your account. Once you're done creating your account, now it's time for you to set a profile or a Bitmoji icon. You go ahead and customize it accordingly, or you could simply go ahead and take a selfie, and that is also going to help you out to create an account on Snapchat. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.